is. The camera might not do it justice. It's like a purple. It's like a really soft purple. But then they also have it in black and green. And yeah. It's like, oh, well, this one's $29. I'm not sure what the difference between, I guess the fabric. Yeah, this one feels different. This one feels different. 29. Yeah, but I would fuck with this shit. I would fuck with that. They got some Chelsea boots. This is the dress up section. Okay, not fucking with that. Shit, I would fuck with. This is tough. Just because it has this belt, and that belt, you know what I'm saying, is gonna hang when you wear it. This is fucking tough. For 70 though. But I would fuck with these. I would get them in black. I would definitely get them in black. They have it in this tan color, and they have it in this brown. It's not gonna do it justice, but this is like a stone gray. It's like an ashy gray. And then they got some coats. They got some sweaters. Shit. Damn. Hey, nah, he's like, they fucked this shit up in a good way. This shit is tough. This shit is tough. How much is this shit? And it's not a bad fucking price for Zara. That's not a bad fucking price for Zara, bro. I'm trying to get it so you can see the whole thing. Move shit. That's a tough ass coat. That's a tough ass coat. This is the one that I was walking over here to see, because the shit look cozy. And this is different. This one's different because it's a crop. It's cropped. Still 140. So 140 is that fucking shit. This shit is tough. I will wear this. Hold up. I'm gonna try some shit on. I'm gonna try shit on. All the fire ass shits. It's like a try on haul. Hell yeah. We're gonna do it. This is what, 140 is just their price. This shit tough too. This shit tough. I'm gonna pick up every fucking thing that I think is tough and then try it on. Honorable mention, the waffle pattern knit sweaters. Now, you know how stuff be like, I don't know what type of leather that is. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's leather, but I don't know. Sheesh. You gotta see it. This is the one you gotta see in person so you can understand like what I'm talking about. So you can understand what I'm talking about. I like these colored Chelsea boots. I just like the color on them. And these are 100. These are 100. That's a better color for Zara. Is this the same color? No, these are lighter. These are lighter colored Chelsea boots. These got a thicker, so I don't know why I'm excited right now. Like, I'm excited in this bitch. Honorable mention, because it caught my attention. These right here, I really like the design and pattern, but that wide leg, I do not fuck with. These could have just been some regular, skinny jeans, and it'd be tough. That's okay. It's an honorable mention. Honorable mention. That's just ugly as hell. Hold on. Hold on. This is just a nice rugged jacket to have. You would have thought that shit was polo. And it's different because it's a fucking flower. That's just cool though. That's 50. Another honorable mention. Reminds me like a Levi type jacket. It's some solid shit. It's rugged. But these shits, it's like, hold on. It got the chunky soles and these shits fire. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. These shits is fire.